In this video, we'll talk about data types and the memory space needed for the data type. We had an idea before that byte needs 8, short needs 16, integer needs 32, and so on. But how that really treated in the computer memory? So we know that computer understand only 0 and 1, doesn't understand our normal numbers which we use, which has 2, 3, 4, 5, the decimal number that we use. So if we take a variable like age and we declare it as integer, int age equal 25, how the computer will store it? How much will be stored in the computer memory? So 25, something strange that computer will not understand, because we say they understand only 0 and 1. So how it going to represent the 25? The 25 will appear in the computer memory in this way, is 11001. That's equal to 25. But how that can happen? Let's think of the computer memory like boxes. So we have different boxes here which store different things. We have here, and each one has a value, maximum value. So the first one is 1. So anything in this box, if you put 1 here, that's equal to 1. But if we put anything in the second one here, it will be equal to 2, not 1. And the third, it will be equal to 4, and so on. So these are the memory. So these are 8, as you can see here. These 8 bits, that's the bits we're talking about here. Let's take the number 25. Where are we going to fit the 25? If we look at 32 is higher than 25, so cannot go there. So we can basically add 1 here on the 16, that will be equal to 16. Yeah? How much remaining now? We have 1 in the 16, the remaining is 9 from the 25. Where can we fit the 9? There's no 9 here, so we can fit 1 in the 8, and that will give us 8. So the remaining now is 1, because 8 plus 16 is 24, and then only 1 is missing from our 25. So the 1 basically you can add it here, and in between we put zeros. And this is how 110011, which you have here, came. This is equal to 25. If you want to find the value of this one, add those has 1. So this is 1 plus 8 plus 16, and that's give you 25. So this is the way the computer will store data. It will store it using 0 and 1. And if you're using a data type of byte, will be only 8. But for int will be 32. We cannot present it on the screen, so we'll keep it there. Now here is a small program in Java that will convert for you numbers from binary to decimal, what the system use. And in this one, as you can see, this line is just declaring a variable called binary of type string and storing the binary number as a string, because the programming language cannot do not have a data type of binary, so we're using string. The next line here has a new variable, so the new variable decimal, and that variable is using an object called integer and using special function called birth int, means process int. So there is birth float, there is birth byte, double, all of them are there, but because here decimal is int, so we're going to use birth int. And then we pass binary, which is the same one. This one is the same one we have there, so the value 1101 will come here. So this line basically will give us a new value and store it in decimal, and that value will be a decimal point. So that's where it is. And this line just basically display the binary, which is the same one, and this one display the decimal, which is the same one, and the result will come. If you put there 11001, you will get 25, and you can change that number and you get different numbers, as you can see. So this is a basic Java code that will change binary to decimal. Thank you for listening.